Hello, I'm Emily Grimes, co-author of Teasers and Appeasers, an hors d'oeuvre cookbook. Today, my friend Mouseter Chef and I are going to show you how to make my husband's favorite appetizer, hot hors d'oeuvre supreme. Good morning, Mouseter Chef.
Good morning, Emily. This is one of my favorite recipes too.
For this recipe, you'll need 1/2 cup of mayonnaise, 1 teaspoon curry powder, and 1 teaspoon salt. Mix these ingredients together until well blended. Then stir in 1 4 1/4 ounce can chopped ripe olives, which you've drained, 1/2 cup chopped green onions, including the green tops for lots of color, and 1 1/2 cups grated sharp cheddar cheese.
Emily, when you read the label on the container of curry powder, you'll discover that curry is not a spice in itself, but a blend of spices, usually including coriander, cumin, ginger, nutmeg, cloves, pepper, and turmeric, which gives curry its characteristic golden color.
Thanks for sharing that fact, Mouseter Chef. Next, take 6 English muffins, which have been cut in half, and lay them out on your cutting board. Take the mixture that you've just put together and divide it evenly among the muffin halves. You'll want to spread the mixture evenly to the corners of each of the muffin halves. And then you'll be cutting the muffin halves into quarters. Place the wedges onto a cookie sheet and then put them in the oven on broil. Watch them carefully until they're bubbly hot.
Or the frosted quarters may be flash frozen on a cookie sheet, put into a plastic freezer bag, and kept frozen until ready to use. Flash freezing will keep the individual pieces from sticking together and will allow you to remove just the number of appetizers needed. Broil just before serving or bake in a 350-degree oven for 5 to 10 minutes.
Good suggestion, Mouseter Chef. Also, this cheese topping mixture can be prepared several days in advance, covered and refrigerated. Then the morning of your party, spread it on the English muffins half, cut it into wedges, and broil it right before your party. Bon appetit from Emily and Mouseter Chef.